Hi, I'm Surbi and we are at DPS 2017 and I again have the pleasure to talk to Karen Lopez, who is a speaker at DPS 2017. Welcome Karen again, thank you.
Thank you for having me here.
Thank you for being here. So how has your experience been so far?
It's always a lot of fun to come here, and I just see all the improvements every year and how it's growing and how the topics are kind of getting more broad, kind of like that.
It is really a pleasure to have you here again. So, how is your what do you think is different this year than the previous versions of DPS?
So that's interesting. Good question. Well, the food's getting better. I love it. So I love Indian food, and I'm just seeing a lot more topics like R and analytics, like a lot more. Because of the way data platform is growing, and it's not just SQL Server and a lot of sort of business-driven analytics, because I'm a data person, I think that's great.
What have you spoken about?
So I've done a chalk talk about model-driven database design on Agile and Scrum projects, and that was really interesting. I got good questions and good comments, and then I've done an open talk on balancing data quality, security, and performance, which is always a trade-off. And then this afternoon I'm talking about the key to keys, so talking about primary keys and all the keys in SQL Server.
I'm sure you are having a great experience as a speaker over here, and I got to know that the attendees here are very keen to ask questions. And
yes.
So how has it been?
So that's what I really like. Like sometimes you go to a conference and people are like, they're taking notes and they don't hear anything, but what I enjoy is attendees who ask questions and maybe even challenge some statements to ask for more evidence or what we meant. And then I really like to hear what people are working on and what they're struggling with, and really, I mean, to me, that's the whole nature of community. Is we're not just here to listen to somebody, but to talk to other attendees, other speakers, the sponsors, everything.
Yeah, that's really nice. So, with the change in technology trend that we are seeing over the years, what do you recommend to the audience out there? That how should they cope up with this technology?
Yeah, well, so that's both the fun part of what's happening in data platform, as well as the challenge. Is there's just so many new stuff coming at us so fast. So in my part of the data platform, it's all the advent of non-relational stuff. So the analytics, but Cosmos DB and all the Azure services, like there's just so much to learn. But the way I deal with these things is I read up on them, but I really think being able to play with the new products, and that's what I like about Azure, is that, you know, that for a trial or a very affordable subscription, you can go on and actually play with something. You don't have to install it. You don't have to find a server. You can just go fire up a VM and play with something.
Yeah, so actually if you got to cope up with the new technologies, you got to go and play and try hands-on on things. Yeah. So what final message that you would like to give to the world about DPS 2017 and something that would bring you back again?
Oh, well, of course, my mantra is love your data. And another way of loving your data is being with other data professionals and talking about experiences and learning new technologies. So it's just another way to love your data.
Thank you so much for the kind words. I really hope to see you again next year.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.